Hey there, welcome to the Blessed Workshop, where I'm going to show you how we're going to turn this messy garage into the ultimate workspace for the DIYer. So stay tuned. My name is Ken Henderson. Welcome to the Blessed Workshop. You know, I've been a creative person for as long as I can remember, ever since I was about this big. And I always love creating things, creating anything I can get my hands on, whatever inspires me. I do everything from building furniture and working with wood to making costumes and building sets for theater. And I love it because it gets out of me the creativity. I don't know where these ideas come from. I just get inspired and I just want to do something. And so I need a space. And that's what I'm about to do today, or start on a journey of making a space that I can use to create things in. Now, this mess you see behind me has accumulated over the past 20-something years that we've lived in this house. And God bless my wife. I'm a hard person to live with when the creative juices start to flow, because I get so just focused that I just got to do it. So I need a space. I've needed a space. I've always used the kitchen table, or it just spreads out into the house, and it's just a hard thing to do. But here, for the next few months, we're going to be turning this messy garage, into a workspace. You may be like me, and you have limited space and think, golly, I wish I could have a space where I could create things, or build things, or work things, or use your saws and your work tools. Well, it's possible. It just takes a little work. And I'm going to use a modular system to build what I've got going on planned here. So journey with me, if you will, and we will do this together. So you're ready to work, roll up your sleeves and get to work. Our first project is going to be a table saw station that flips around and becomes a router station with a little bit of a twist. I've seen a lot on the YouTube channels out there, but we're going to do it a little bit different because I want this to be ultimately modular system. You're going to see some tips and tricks along the way of what I've got planned. So thank you for watching. I want you to subscribe and give me a thumbs up, if you will, and share it with your friends. Thanks so much. Here's my lighter. Workshop, the ultimate workshop for the small car garage. That doesn't sound right. This thing on? All good.